We have rain in Australia from few days, and we can see the water everywhere, and we can see the greenery because it's so nice and clean after rain, and the roads are full of water, and houses are also looking neat and clean, and we can see the situation of the road also. It's because of water. It's too much water on the road, and then you listen the voice of the car and the water noise also. This is the bridge in front of me. You can see the bridge. So, and after under the bridge there is a water. We can see the boat. It's white boat, and it's in the river. Swan Beach, and river is Tembo River. And now the car is coming. You see the car is coming, and water everywhere, and noise of water.